Hello YouTube, today I'm doing a bike check on my bike. And I have an on my haro, so here we go. Okay, Gap kink frame, flat red, gold rims, kink grips. Pretty much everything on this bike is kink seat, small sprocket, 3-piece crank, weighs 23 pounds, $450. Mission component pegs, Midtown bars, as you can see right there. And then here's my haro. So this is my haro. Okay, so I got haro bikes frame. Then I got haro bikes fork. Everything on this bike is haro sprocket, pretty little. And then dyno seat, which is really kind of good. Then I got black rims, haro hubbas. Then I got haro what's it called? Haro bars, and then haro grips. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Peace.